Chrissy Teigen has hit back at a fan who asked her if she was pregnant again. The 32-year-old supermodel only gave birth to her son Miles, whom she has with her husband John Legend, 4 months ago, so was understandably upset when one of her followers asked her whether she was expecting again after photographs of her at the 70th Annual Primetime Emmy Awards night began to surface online. Taking to her Twitter account, she replied while quoting the tweet for all to see, "I just had a baby, but thank you for being so respectful." Chrissy looked beautiful in a sequin-embellished floor-length gown while the sexy thigh-high split exposed the bruise she sustained a day before when she fell down a flight of stairs. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.